Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, April 19th. It's 4:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On my left is the time and sales, the E-mini S&P trading at 2334.50. And we had a pretty good day for the auto trader today. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, first up is the crude oil in a 500 tick chart. We had a single trade. We got prematurely stopped out and only did 1,020. This was a huge move to the downside, and it seems like a small trade, but this entry up here at 52.27, the crude made a low of 50.11 here. That's 200 ticks or 2 full points in the crude. That's actually huge. And on our money management, we're actually trailing by a percentage of profit. So at 40 ticks, we're trailing by 25%. So that's only roughly 10 ticks here. So obviously we got stopped out here on this pullback. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a 2500 tick chart. This is using our line break logic, and you can see the line break signals here hardly if I widen this a little bit. So our long signal was actually down here, and the short signal is ignored because this is being filtered by the trend indicator. So we had really nice looking signals on the indicator as well, and this false signal here to go long was filtered out by the trend indicator. So what we ended up with was two excellent placed trades, a long and then a short, and this did 11.25 for the day, which is approximately 44 ticks per contract. So excellent performance here on an E-mini S&P 2500 tick chart. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a 500 tick line break chart, and there was quite a number of trades here. It looks like we went straight up into the 2 o'clock hour, and we had an equity high of about $1,900 or so, probably $2,000. And then we had a couple of losing whipsaws here towards the very end of trading, and probably gave back about $600. We still ended up with 12.10 for the day. That's excellent performance. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Super 14 tick. Yesterday, this chart hit its goal. Today, we started off with a loser, took a little heat off the open, and then we had a short trade here. We got filled on our limit order and did 737.50 for the day. Okay, next up is the Dow E-mini S&P. This is trading two contracts. Looks like we had a couple of nice trades here into the noon hour, and I believe this one only has a goal of $1,000. Indeed, it does. So it looks like it hit its goal and had positive slippage. So excellent performance on the Dow E-mini contract. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a Precision Renko 5 and a 150% reversal, trying to avoid that big long bar and wait to get filled. So anyway, this did 650 for the day. We took a little heat, had a couple of losers, and then came back with some winners here and did 650 for the day. That's all for today's video, short video today. Please visit our website at bluewavetrading.com or contact me at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching.